Yeah, Tim's right there. Yeah, yeah. Oh, it's fucked up, man. Behind us. I just saw
right behind this building right here. What the fuck?
Look at this.
Yeah, everything's store, Mr. Wheels, everything. Oh yeah. That's my store there. I gotta get around the corner so you can see that.
I took a video and put it on Instagram.
Go! Holy fucking shit.
Dude, I'm freaking out.
Go! I know. You all right?
Yeah. I was asleep when I got it.
I wasn't asleep.
I didn't. Yeah. Well, I was about to sleep. Then I got it. No, I was like, I thought the Jeep exploded. I thought our car was exploding, but no, we were just driving through it.
The door flew open. It sounded like we were getting shot at.
You felt the place move.
But we weren't.
You felt it.
No, there's like windows broken like way up there.
Yeah. Oh no, I have no doubt.
They're not gonna know what the fuck happened. All these business owners. I thought something happened right next to the house.
Well, it did. I haven't seen anything like this since the car the same place actually.
What about our fucking window?
I guess that's the least of our worries.
No, I know, but I gotta go patch up the window.
I don't know. They didn't have an empty shot. We lost in one picture. Yeah.
I don't remember anything.
Whole first 2 minutes of recording. But